family and friends. I have a really simple Valentine's project that you can do. And these were all materials I had on hand, but it won't take much if you need to go out and buy supplies. This is a heart-shaped candy dish from the dollar store that I already had. And then I have white sand that I put into these containers for condiments. And I have red sand. And again, these are left over from other projects, so I'm just trying to use what I already have. And then I had a bunch of succulents, so I went out, and these are freshly pulled off the plants. I think these are hens and chickens. But so I'm not going to water them in. But and then I had these stones that have different sayings on them. They were friends, family, hope, love, whatever. But I chose friends. So I'm going to put this together. I had a combination of the red and white sand in here. And I am going to start by planting this little gem. And I don't really know what the names of all the plants are yet, so I will work on that. But I'm going to put these in here, and just trying to make a nice hole for this to set down, and I think I need to take it off a little bit shorter. A lot of dirt on the bottom of this one. I'm just going to cover it up. And then I have this one here that I'm going to stick in. Let me take a look here. Yeah, right next to it. Push these in right along. Now I'm going to see sand and top it off so it'll be a solid red. On top. And now you'll see why I use these bottles. To attempt look how pretty that is against the greens. Now comes the tricky part. Going to try and see see if I can do a white heart and not make a mess of it. And I'm just following the edge of the dish. Heart shape in here. Can you see how that's coming? Come down right along here. Doing the same thing. There's a low spot in the red. White's gonna fall down.